Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video I'll be talking about the things what you need to know before the market opens today. The first thing is from Nifty 50. So today the Nifty 50 is likely to open in the higher section. Yes, as the SGX Nifty, that is GIF Nifty, has closed on the previous day almost 50 points up, so that effect is likely to take place on Nifty today, and this can be a positive opening for Nifty 50 today. Please note, I'm only telling you for educational purpose, and also this is just an opening thing. Okay, the market will trade on its trend, but the opening will be on a positive side is what the view is. Okay, and the next thing is we have news in few stocks. I'll just update you that the first stock is ICICI Securities. So SEBI has issued an administrative warning for ICICI Securities after the inspection of books and records. Okay, so this is the first news from ICICI Securities, and the next stock is Reliance. So Reliance to secure 100% stake in two solar SPVs from MSEB Solar Agro Power. So this is an acquisition news, and this is a positive news for Reliance. And the next news is from Pharma, that is Dr. Reddy Laboratories. This company has entered into a license agreement with US based biopharmaceutical company Pharmas Inc. to commercialize Centaquin in India. So this is one of a positive news for Dr. Reddy. So these are the top 3 stocks which are having a news for the day, and these are the important updates what you need to know for the day. So click on my channel logo and go inside my channel to watch a lot of educational videos and daily live trades. And if you guys wish to get the live market personal support from me and want to learn the concept of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me personally.